This video explains how to set the time and date on your G-Shock GA-2000 watch. Hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. To start the setting mode, hold down the adjust button until set indicator disappears from the display. Choose the desired home city by pressing start button and reset button. Now, select the DST setting for the selected home city by press the mode key. You can toggle the DST settings on and off using the start button and reset button. Press the mode button to select the time display format. And use the start button and reset button to toggle the time display between 12-hour and 24-hour. Use the mode button to select the seconds adjustment. And press the start button to reset the seconds. Press the mode button to select the hour setting. Then adjust the hour by pressing the start button and reset button. The minute settings can be selected by pressing the mode button. Use the start button and the reset button to adjust the minutes. Choose the year setting using the mode button. And set it using the start button and the reset button. The month settings can be selected by pressing the mode key. Press the start button and reset button to adjust the month. Select the day setting with the mode button. And use the start button and the reset button to adjust the day. Now, press the mode key to select the button operation tone settings. Toggle the button operation tone on and off by pressing the start button. The illumination duration can be set by pressing the mode key. Press the start button to toggle the illumination duration between 1.5 seconds and 3 seconds. Once the settings are the way you want, press adjust button to exit from setting mode to the timekeeping mode.